Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how you can speed up a video on your iPhone. Well, by default, if you capture the normal videos like this, you don't have any way to control the speed, right? You cannot slow it down or speed it up. If you switch to the slow motion video type, then you have the ability to control the speed, but again, only you can slow it down. So if you have a regular video stored in your gallery and you want to bump up the speed, you need to use a third-party app for it. You know, there are more options, but I would recommend you to get the CapCut video editor, which is free to download. As you can see, I already have it on my device, and you can use it to a degree for free, right? So let me just get inside of the CapCut, which is already downloaded like that. And once it loads up, I'm going to click on the plus button to start a new video editing project. It's going to pull up all of my videos from the gallery. So let me, for example, pick this one, which is 21 seconds long, and click add button. Now it shows up in this edit mode where I can add some effects, text, changes, stickers, whatever I want. But what I want is to speed it up. So at first, we click on the video in the timeline like that, so it gets selected. And below, we scroll through the set of options. And one of them is going to be the speed. So you can see it right there. I click on speed. You can adjust it in a curve, which is a little bit more advanced, but I'm just going to click on the normal speed adjustment. And currently the speed of the video is set to 1x, meaning the original speed. So you can lower it down to, for example, 0.5, and it's going to turn our 21-second video to 41-second video. Or you can bump up the speed to 2.0x, right? So we doubled the speed, which means that the video is now shorter. So it is only going to be 10 seconds instead of the 20, right? And you can make it even like 100 times faster, which will be basically no video at all, right? So you can barely see it now, but if you just bump it up by like 2x, it's going to be a nicely speeded up. So you get a lot of control over it, but when you're done, what you can do is, at first, you can delete the watermark at the end like that, and just click on export to save the video in your gallery with the speed adjustment. So if I go to gallery, the latest clip is this one, which is in double the speed and is only 10 seconds long compared to 20 seconds, which it was before. So that's how you can do this. It's actually very simple, but let me know in the comments below if it worked for you as well. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later.